Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw PinkPantheress from her stateside music video. So let's get started. To draw this cute singer, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. Now that I have one circle in, I'm going to come right next to it, say about this much, and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Okay, so now my circles, my eyes in, let's come to the sides right here and I'm going to spruce them up with some lashes. So maybe just two long lashes right here and same thing here. There. And then let's come above her eye, about right here. And I'm just going to draw a soft curve over her eye for her brow. And same thing on the other side, about right here. Just a soft curve. So now that we have that, let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here in the center, let's go ahead and draw a curve and bring it up and cap it off. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and frame her face. So let's come to the top of the eye, right about here next to the lashes. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve right next to the eyes. So same thing over here. Right next to the eyes, and I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to bring down this curve, and so let's say about my center area right here underneath the mouth, and say about right here, kind of where I want her chin to be. I'm going to use that as my guide and bring in a curve to hit that point. So same thing over here. There. So now that I have her face framed in, let's go ahead and draw her hair. So she has bangs. So I'm going to say about right here. I'm just going to start about right in this area, and I'm going to bring down a strand towards the center. And I'm just going to try my best to draw a bunch of strands back and forth, hitting the brow and just coming out. So whatever space right here, I'm just going to extend this out more. And same thing here. Hit the brow, go up, and come down. And then whatever space I have, just finish it. And then from there, let's find your center. And let's say about about there. I'm going to go ahead and just finish it off with a curve coming down. So same thing on this side. About right there. Then on the top, once again in the center, we're going to go up another layer just a little bit. Give her her hairline right in the center, and then we're going to go up slightly on both sides. And just come down at a slight angle about right here. And down. So same thing over here. Slight angle. And down. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's work on her, finish up her hair a little bit later. Let's work on her body. So I'm going to give her a little neck right in the center, about right here and here. Gonna bring it down and then curve out. Down and curve out. So she's wearing this top, so let's bring this out a little bit more, kind of like where her shoulders will start. We'll stop right about there. So same thing on this side, and then I'm going to come down at a slight angle, stop about there. Same thing here. This is kind of like where her sleeves would be, and then I'm going to angle it in one more time down towards her waist. There, so just kind of giving it two angles, very slight. And then we're going to come back into the space and we're going to draw some details. So let's say about here, I'm going to come down really low and come towards the center. Same thing here. We need to come really low because we need to draw in some jewels. And then right about here, I'll just put in a little curve. And then right underneath this, we're going to draw a line. Then we're going to angle. And then angle one more time. And then right about here, we're going to connect it. So same thing here. Angle. And then angle one more time, much deeper. And connect this. So you're just creating this little notch right there. Then right back here, we're going to come back and connect this part right back to the center. And if you like for some details, I'll just put in two little lines right here, just so that we know there's a crease right there. And then we need to come back to this area right here where this ends. We're going to draw two of these angle pleats. So let's bring this out and connect it, create the shape. Then one more coming down and in. So hopefully I'm not making this too complicated. And I'm actually helping you here. But her dress, her outfit is a little bit, has a lot of little details right here. So I'm trying to simplify it. And one more, same thing. Just bring it down and then back up to create this shape right on her hips. And then about right here, we're going to connect it with a curve. So then I'm just going to come right in the center right about here and just put in a dot for her belly button. Then let's continue this. We're going to bring this down for her skirt. So let's keep going a little bit longer. To about right there, we're about same height, and then let's connect it with a curve. There. Okay, it's getting there, right? So hopefully it's not too hard right now. It's going to be a little bit easier here because we just need to draw her legs. So come down to the center, and we're going to go to the left, go to the right, and we're just going to draw these angle lines going down. So here and here. So let's keep going. I'll work on this side first. Just want to go all the way down. And this part right here. And we're just going to aim to be a little bit thinner as we come down to her ankles. So about right there. And that'd be cute to just kind of have her feet kind of go in a little bit, point inwards. So straighten this part out and connect. So same thing on this side. Just give it a slight angle all the way down. Right there, and once again, same thing, curve out. Straighten out this part a little bit more and connect. There. And then for some details, just put in a curve right here, and I believe there's like 2 straps. And same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back up. And there's some lines on her skirt right here. I'll just draw in really lightly, but you could probably just do this like with a gray marker or color pencil. But just some details right here. This odd shape thing going on. In the center, something like that. There. Okay, and then of course, let's finish up her arms. So we want her hands on her hips about right here. So I'm going to bring this part down. And her sleeves is going to start about right here where her armpit area is. And we're going to bend it down to about right here. So let's thicken this all up. Bring it down and connect. You put a little crease here, and then in this space, just draw a little angle, another one, and then for her fingers. So same exact thing on the other side. And I'm just going to drag this across so that I'm approximately the same. About right there. And then bringing it down just like the other side. And once again, thickening it up. And a little angle here. And fingers. And a little crease right there. Okay, and then of course we need to draw her jewels. So I'm just going to come to the center and make mine a heart right in the center. Nice big heart. And then maybe some smaller ones and then connect it. Just trying to not overcomplicate it. So whatever you can fit. Maybe just add 2 more here and just call it a day. Okay, and then let's finish up her hair. So just going to bring this down. The other strand. And just bring this down. So same thing here, just straight hair. Some details, and then I guess we could kind of end it in here. Come through. And just finish it off. And hopefully I haven't forgotten anything, and that I've captured PinkPantheress look here in her stateside music video. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.